Hey guys, welcome back. We're going to just jump right in today. I'm making a Libbey glass using this vinyl from Hobby Lobby. The darker blue is a permanent adhesive vinyl and the lighter blue is a glitter adhesive vinyl. I also used a small portion of white Oracle 651. I'm going to get everything cut out and then come back for the weeding process. All three pieces are cut out. I'm going to start by weeding the white vinyl and then the other two. So I'm making this glass for my daughter to give as a birthday gift to one of her friends. Her friends know that I have a YouTube channel and that I make things, so they have begun requesting certain birthday gifts. She usually asks them what they want, and that's where the request comes from. My daughter gave me specific instructions. She asked if I could make the design blue with flowers and an H to represent her friend's initial. Oh yeah, and how can I forget? It needed to be a clear Libbey glass with a bamboo lid. So fancy. As you saw, both the white and darker blue vinyls weeded with no problem. I cannot say the same for this glitter vinyl. I will admit, I made an amateur move and didn't do any test cuts. But believe it or not, I cut this glitter vinyl 4 times. And on the 4th cut, I used the glitter vinyl setting with more pressure and had the Cricut make 4 passes, and I still struggled to weed this vinyl. Needless to say, I was stressing by the time I began weeding this the 4th time, and that's what you're seeing here. If only you could have heard the sigh of relief I let out once that was weeded. The glass that I'm using, I purchased from Michaels. It's actually one of their clear sublimation glasses by Make Market. So with this glass, you could sublimate or use infusible ink sheets, but as you know, I'm going with adhesive vinyl for this one. I cleaned off my glass with a little rubbing alcohol to get it prepped to receive the vinyl. Since my design is layered, I decided to get both blue layers on the glass at the same time. By the way, this entire design was created in Design Space. I used some flowers I found in the image section and then placed everything where I wanted them to be. Getting a vinyl wrap down on a glass or cup can be a little tricky. My advice is to take your time. Make sure everything is lined up where you want it to be, then slowly begin to wrap the glass. Right here you see me peeling up the H from the glass. That's because the H was upside down, and in this case, It actually mattered because of the orientation of the flowers that were cut into the letter H. But thank God this was a quick fix and I was able to get the white flowers into their spots with no problem. Okay guys, it was a quick one today, but I hope you enjoyed watching me decorate this Libbey glass for my daughter's friend. I think it turned out really cute and I think she's gonna love it. Before you go, please like the video, comment down below, it really helps out my channel. Subscribe if you haven't already and turn on your bell notifications so you don't miss a future video. Until next time, later CV crew.